I don't know what time you do that because I don't have my license or anything. So maybe I'll just hop on my magic broom and fly myself to the pet store. I'll just fly myself to the pet store, Jerry. I'm gonna fly there on my magic broom. That's what I'll do. I just couldn't get to the pet store. I couldn't get there on foot because I would have to carry a giant bag of dog food on my back. So maybe I'll just put that on. I'll put it on the back of my broom and then we'll fly there. We'll fly there all the way to the pet store for you. All the way to the fucking pet store. Fucking broom. We're done. I'm done ranting. Okay.